Para mag-airbrake.
Just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please leave your seatbelt to all other passengers. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Siyempre, pumunta ka sa aeroplano.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcome to you to Lipolag Airport. 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of the entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by Captain Cruz and First Officer Rivero, together with your cabin crew, I thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It is really a pleasure for having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We request everyone to kindly keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bin near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinapaalalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong ipatapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after this embarkation. For safety reasons, kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and please be reminded that an unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. For guests who need special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to delay last. Para po sa mga panauhing nangangailangan ng tulong, gaya ng wheelchair, kayo po ang huling bababa. And once again, as a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before starting up to get your bags from the overhead bin or use the lavatory. Muli po, intayin muna mawala ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo upang kunin ang mga kagamitan o gumamit ng mga palikuran. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga.
Stand up momentarily to do a safety value procedure. Please remain seated.